Hello everyone, this is Reena from Mrs. Reena's Cocoon.
My Way of Phonodrill. It's a complete English reading course for beginners. The topics which I'm planning to cover is introduction of letters with its sounds, introduction of vowels and consonants, how to join vowels with consonants, reading three-letter words, reading blend sounds, digraphs and diphthong. Level 1.
This particular video is level 1. In level 1, I'm going to introduce the consonant, vowels as well as the sounds of each letter. So this is how I introduce to my kids. So I have written something on the board. Can you all see what is it? Yes, these are all letters, right? This is called alphabet. How many letters are there in alphabet? Yes, we have 26 letters. How many letters? 26 letters. What are they? Capital letters as well as small letter, right? Capital letter and small letter. Now, where do we use this capital letter? Yes, when you are writing a proper noun, the first letter of that word is a capital letter, right? And then when you are writing a sentence, when you are making a sentence, the first word of the sentence begins with a capital letter. So we could identify, yes, this is a proper noun and this is a starting. This is a sentence starts with a capital letter, right? And what about the small letters? Yes, we use these small letters in many places, so many words. All words, each and every word is making with the help of these 26 letters. Now I am going to introduce each letters. Are you all ready? Yes? Okay, now let's see how to introduce each letter. Yes, the first one is oh, what is that? What is that? Yes, this is letter A. This letter A has a sound. What is that? A. Let me check again. A. What is the sound of letter A? A. Yes. Now the next one. B. And the next one. K. Letter C. The sound of letter C is K. Letter D. The sound of letter D. D. Letter E. A. Oh, what happened? Is he angry? Is he making a sound? Yes, what is that sound? Listen again. A. He's telling yay. Yay. What is the sound of E? Yes, it is yay. And then F. G. G. H. H. E. Oof. Again he is making a different sound. What is that? Let me check. E. E. What is the sound of I? E. J. K. L. M. M. N. N. Oh! Oh my god. He is also making a different sound. What is it? Oh! Oh sound, right? O says oh. P. K. R. 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 S. 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 T. T. Ah. What is that sound? Huh? Ah. This U makes ah sound, right? Now V. V. W. W. Z, Z, Y, Y, Z, Z. So these are the sounds of each letter, right? Each letter makes different sounds. Now let's see who are all making different sounds now. So here the A made A. It's a different sound, right? So let me circle letter A and then who else? Yes, letter E said hey. Letter E said hey. Okay, let me circle letter E and then letter I said E. Letter I said E. Okay, so let me circle letter E and then letter O said O. Letter O said O. So let me circle letter O and then yes, letter U said A. What letter U said? A. So let me circle letter U. All these 5 letters make different sounds, right? So they are called what? Yes, they are all vowels. What are they? Vowels. A, E, I, O and U. These 5 letters are called vowels. With the help of these vowels, we can make plenty of words, right? Okay, so these are all vowels. What about the other letters? What about B, K, D, F, G, H, J and all these letters? Yes, they are all consonants. What? They are all consonants. So today's chapter, this level 1, I taught you what is the sound of each letter, what are the vowels and what are the consonant. In my next class, I am going to add this vowel with the consonant. We will make 2-letter words, then 3-letter words and then yes, we can happily read joining all the letters by its sounds. So friends, this is level 1. I will see you soon with level 2 in my next class. So take care. Bye bye.